Hello guys, this is Masuk Mia, a full stack web developer. Welcome to my YouTube channel, webcodecamp. In this series, I'm your instructor. Welcome to 100 days of JavaScript series, real world project. So I hope you will learn many things in this series. Let's start the video. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. So let's start now. At first I will declare constant variable const variable like hexa, so equal document dot query selector. Okay, then I'll put here button hexa. It will be same the equal buttons. Then I will finish the semicolon and I will declare this hexa button because I will here declare in my class name span class name hexa, that's why I will declare it here. Okay, then I will copy and paste, then I'll change it button, and here I will change btn like that, generate generate. Okay, function const like that, generate button, generate color equal function, then I will function color math dot random, here I will change it to string. Okay, then I will need string will be 16. It's like hexadecimal, then 16, that substring will be 2, like 2 and 8, 2 like binary and 8 like that octal. For that, document dot body dot style dot background color, color equal plus random color. I'll finish the semicolon and hex dot inner HTML equal sign hashtag dot plus random color. I'll finish the semicolon and here I will finish this semicolon line, and then this could have done. This is the only simple code, and btn dot add event listener. I will create this event listener click function, event listener click function, click function name generate color, I'll finish this line, then I'll call it generate color. Okay, I'll finish this function and I'll refresh my browser. Okay guys, I'll refresh my browser. here is the some problem, and it will works. JavaScript works are smoothly and it looks like awesome, but it's some mistake. I'll fix this issue. Like button here, button and white, I'll change it, then I'll refresh again. Okay, it's better now, and click here and change it. When you click this button, then you will show this color code is changing now. Okay, thank you viewers. Thanks for watching this video.